Hello students, in this video we will learn how to draw the isometric front view, top view and side view of a circle.
So for a circle, one thing that you need to understand is that, let us say diameter is equal to 60 mm. Okay, so this you need not enclose it in a box, because we know that this will be also equal to 60, this will also be equal to 60. Just see, let us say this is a circle. So if you are reviewing it like this, it will be an ellipse that is visible to you. It will be like this. You regard it as front view or side view. Let us say if it is like this, so it will be visible like this. And if it is the top view, it will be visible like this, right? So how will you be able to draw the ellipse? So you cannot draw the ellipse by compass because you just have the diameter. So for this, we have a method which is known as 4 center method, also known as star method. First of all, let us draw those parallelograms. Okay, let us say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? So here, let us say this is the front view, this is the side view, and this is the top view. Okay. So the very first step is mark midpoints of all lines. Okay, so just mark the midpoint. So since it is 60, all the sides are equal to 60, so you just add 30, you mark the midpoints like this. Okay, so I am just discussing this first, then we'll move to the others. Then second, join the midpoints with opposite corner of larger angle. Now, what do I mean to say by this? So there are, 4 corners are there, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is some angle. These two angles are equal, 1 and 3 are equal, 2 and 4 are equal, right? Let us say this is A, B, C, and D. According to this, join these midpoints with opposite corner of larger angle. So if I am talking about A, midpoint A, so which is the corner which is opposite to it and larger? It will be 2. So opposite to it, because this 1 and 4, it is already joined to 1 and 4. Okay. And opposite 2 corners are left. One is 3, other is 2. So we have to join it with larger angle. So it is 2. So join it with 2 like this. Similarly, D. D will be joined with, D also will be joined with 2 like this. Then B will be joined with 4. And C again will be joined with 4. Now, third is you will get 4 centers to draw 4 arcs. So what are those 4 centers that you have got? Let us say this is C1. Let us say this is C2. This is C3. And this is C4. So C1, C2, C3, and C4, right? So now you have to draw 4 arcs. So just see, keep your compass at C1, open it till A, like this, open it till A, this much. Okay, taking this as radius, draw an arc like this. Similarly, keep your compass at C3, open it till D or C, whatever, it will be equal. Okay. Draw an arc like this. Similarly, keep your compass here, open it till D. Like this. Open it till D and then mark an arc A and D. Similarly, keep your compass at 4, or you can say C4, open it till B, okay, and mark an arc joining B and C like this. Now the same thing, same steps we will do for these two also. Now I'll not write C1 and C2, I'll just directly draw this. So first is mark midpoints. Mark midpoints. Okay. Join these midpoints with the opposite corner of larger angle. Like this. Right. Now you have got 4 centers. First, second, third, and fourth. Keep your compass here open till this point and mark an arc. Keep your compass here open till this point, mark an arc like this. Keep your compass here open till this point, mark an arc. Keep your compass here open till this point and mark an arc like this. Then again, first of all, mark the midpoints. Okay, so joined with the opposite corners with larger angle like this. So you have got 4 centers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So keep your compass here open till this point, mark an arc. Keep it here open till here, mark an arc. Keep it here open till this point, mark an arc. Keep it here open till here, mark an arc like this. So this is all about drawing the isometric front view, top view, and side view of a circle.